Right, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, time is short and I'll go for brevity. I'm sure I've seen just very few faces here in this audience who actually interacted like we've interacted with the Directorate of Indigenisation. Can I have a very quick poll, raise your hands, those who have interacted with the DOI up till now? Right, that's just not even 1%, right? So this is very important. I'm heading this organization called the Directorate of Indigenisation, which is under the NGOs branch and the EME Directorate. And I'm dealing with the revenue route. What we are looking at is entire procedures. I will not go through them. DPM 2009. And my role is to take on the indigenization for imported spares, included those which are already being manufactured by the defense PSUs and by the army-based workshops, wherein they've shown their inability, they've not been able to meet the requirement in the required time frame. So that means that I'm also taking on all production hold-up items also. Second, I'll give you very few figures so as to just leave an impact. Time is short. There are a total of 1,200 items which are there with me at the moment in various stages. Third, I have already completed 500 items which have already been indigenized. And in this process, I have already developed a total of 119 vendor bases who have made these indigenized items. Next, the procedure that is followed with the Directorate of Indigenization is very simple. This is the shortest procedure which is possible. I have been here for about a year and a half. I don't take the credit for it. It is because of the new procedures and the systems which came in place because of the DFPDS 2015 and subsequently 16. Earlier on, it was taking on a period of approximately 24 months to 26 months from start to finish. Now, I have been able to fructify the items, identify an item, and I have been able to deliver the item and develop the source in just plain 18 months. That's something which is just not possible anywhere. This is the shortest route. The last point that I'll impress upon is that the entire vendor base, our partners from the industry, are getting involved with me right from the very first stage. What that implies is that the partners from the industry are actually interacting. They are looking at the items which are needed for indigenization 3 months before the AON, 4 months before an RFP, 6 months before the supply order comes up. Because there's an entire process on within the system. You have to go through your AON, the RFPs, and finally go through the L1, L2, make 2 sources. That's exactly what I'm doing now, multiple sources, parallel, and I place the supply order. In the very first stage, wherein we are carrying out the identification of the item, is done in the very first stage, wherein a forum is in place, which is called an indigenization subcommittee meeting, wherein I am carrying out these meetings all over the country. It's not only here in Delhi, it is there in all CODs. And I have got 4 satellite stations at Jabalpur, Ond, Pune, and Bangalore, looking at everything right from your electronics to your vehicles, include the tracked vehicles, which goes to include your tanks and the kinds. I've got the entire of armaments, and I've got the entire of engineer equipment. I've got a total of 25 platforms that I'm looking at, which I'm addressing at the moment. With this, I'll request you, all those who are interested, to check out the CPP portal, DOI, Directorate of Indigenization. Check out my live RFPs as on date. Come and interact with me. I'm at West Block 3, Arkepuram, 2nd floor. And further, the procedures, processes, clarification on various issues, kindly please do come. You're most welcome. And it will go a long way if in case we have a larger vendor base. Thank you.